What if I told you your biggest financial enemy isn't inflation, it isn't taxes, it isn't your salary, and it definitely isn't the stock market? The truth is, most Americans don't lose wealth overnight. They lose it little by little. One bad habit, one small decision, one ignored mistake at a time. That's why some people earn six figures yet retire with almost nothing, while others with average incomes quietly become financially free. Imagine the woman who worked hard but made conscious choices each day, investing wisely and prioritizing her future. She represents those who understand that small, consistent efforts lead to lasting wealth, unlike the fleeting nature of high incomes that aren't managed well. Now picture this young couple dedicated to building their future. They prioritize communication and collaboration in managing their finances, setting a strong foundation that will lead them toward financial independence. In this moment, you see the elderly man who is living proof that sound financial decisions made over decades can lead to a life of peace and enjoyment. His story illustrates how patience and wise choices can create a legacy of security and happiness. You'll discover the 10 silent wealth killers that secretly destroy your financial future, and more importantly, exactly how successful investors avoid them. Stay until the end. The final wealth killer, maybe the one that's costing you the most money, without you even realizing it. Let's begin. Here's something most people never notice. Money doesn't disappear because of one expensive purchase. It disappears of tiny decisions. A subscription you forgot, you ignored, impulse shopping, lifestyle upgrades. None of them feels dangerous, but together, they slowly your financial future. Building wealth isn't only about earning more, it's about the silent leaks before they become. You finally get a raise, a promotion, a bigger paycheck. Most people by upgrading, a bigger apartment, a newer car, more expensive vacations, more monthly payments. Here's the problem. Every raise increases expenses instead of increasing wealth. Financially disciplined people do something different. Before upgrading their lifestyle, they upgrade their investments. That's why their wealth keeps growing even when nobody notices. Compound interest can make you rich or keep you broke. It depends which side you're standing on. When you invest, compound growth works for you. When you carry high interest debt, works against you. Every month, your future income for yesterday's spending. That's why financially successful people, as quickly as possible, because every dollar spent on interest is one less dollar holding you back from building wealth. Wealth killer number 3, waiting for the perfect time. Thoughts race through your mind like "I'll invest next year," or "I'll start after my promotion." You might say "I'll wait until the market feels safer." Sound familiar? Here's the truth. Perfect timing almost never arrives, while your waiting time keeps moving. And time, that precious resource, never waits for anyone. Each moment spent hesitating is a moment gone, and those seconds can accumulate into significant losses. It's crucial to understand that action is more impactful than perfection. Don't let the fear of uncertainty paralyze your financial goals. Start small. Take a step forward today and watch as your wealth begins to grow. Embrace the opportunities that each day presents. Every small investment, every lesson learned, builds a foundation for your future. The path to wealth isn't about waiting for the perfect moment, it's about creating your own moments through action. Whether it's reading a finance book, attending a workshop, or making that first investment, every step counts. Take control of your financial destiny starting now. Today, the world waits for no one. Usually, success beats down the door of those ready to seize it. Starting big is often the key to unlocking new opportunities. Someday, many hope to achieve their dreams, but the market rewards those who take action. Consistency is crucial. Hesitation can lead to missed chances. So far, you've discovered 3 silent wealth killers that quietly destroy your financial freedom. But the next mistakes are even more dangerous, because millions of hardworking Americans make them every single day without realizing it. Let's continue to explore these hidden pitfalls. The pressure to maintain financial stability is constant. Many overlook crucial details in their budgeting and investment strategies. This can lead to significant setbacks, often unnoticed until it's too late. It's time to shine a light on these critical issues and empower yourself with knowledge. Recognizing these financial pitfalls is the first step towards success. You must be proactive, understanding the intricacies of your financial landscape. With the right mindset and strategies, you can safeguard your wealth and pave the way to a secure future. Let's discover the solutions together. Doesn't send a warning before problems arrive. A medical emergency, a major car repair, a sudden layoff, one unexpected expense can completely change your financial future. An emergency fund. Most people for a credit card, and that's when one financial problem turns into years of debt. Financially disciplined people before life tests them, because an emergency fund doesn't make you rich. It keeps your wealth from disappearing. One of the most money killers, emotional spending. Many purchases have nothing to do with need. They're driven by stress or excitement. The purchase feels good for a few minutes, but the payment for months. Financially successful people, before spending, they ask, will this purchase my future or only my mood? That simple question can save thousands of dollars over a lifetime. Many Americans, saving money is enough. But here's the hidden danger. If your money grows slower than inflation, you're quietly losing purchasing power. Every year, prices increase, but cash often stays exactly the same. That's why long-term investors don't just save, they invest. Because wealth must grow than the cost of living. A shortcut when money is involved. That's why get-rich-quick promises never disappear. But history, the same lesson, and again, fast money often disappears just as fast. Real wealth is rarely built in weeks or months. It's built over years, through patience and consistency. Don't chase, they build reliable systems that work year after year. You've now uncovered 7 silent wealth killers that quietly financial futures, but the final 3 may be the most expensive of them all, because they don't just slow your progress, they can prevent financial freedom. Let's finish the blueprint. A wealth killer almost nobody talks about. Your financial education. The economy changes, markets change, technology changes, tax laws change, but many people stop learning the moment they leave school. Financially successful people never stop. Better investors. Every new lesson, your next decision. And one smart decision can change your financial future. Creates confidence, creates action, and action creates wealth. Feels far away, until one day it isn't. Many Americans spend decades planning vacations, planning holidays, planning careers, but never planning retirement. Financial freedom doesn't happen, it happens because someone years earlier. Every dollar you invest today, more freedom, should never be based on hope. It should be built on a plan. And now, the final silent wealth killer, a financial plan. Driving across America without GPS, without a destination, without a map. That's exactly how millions manage money. They earn, they spend, they repeat, but they never decide. Their money should take them. Financially disciplined people always know their next goal, their next investment, their next milestone. Money without direction. Money with direction builds freedom. Let's review the The 10 silent wealth killers. Lifestyle inflation. High interest debt. Waiting too long. No emergency fund. Emotional spending. Ignoring inflation. Chasing quick riches. Never learning. No retirement plan. No financial roadmap. Now replace them with 10 better habits. Invest first. Spend wisely. Learn continuously. Protect your future. Stay consistent. Because wealth isn't built by one perfect decision. It's built by hundreds of smart decisions, month after month, year after year. If today's documentary, the way you think about money, don't stop here. Hit the like button, subscribe to Finance Growth, and join thousands of Americans. How to build real financial freedom. Now tell me, which wealth killer will you eliminate? Leave your answer in the comments below. And in our next documentary, you'll discover the 10 rules of financial discipline that build lasting wealth. The exact habits that help ordinary Americans and multiply their money for decades. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, keep growing, because your future wealth starts today.